Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Hostinger email in just a few minutes, updating your contact information. Make sure you never miss important updates, so let's go step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to hostinger.com. This is the starting point for updating your email address. At the top right corner, click on the login button. Enter your email and password. If you've forgotten them, there's always an option to reset. Once logged in, you'll land in Hostinger's dashboard, also called the H panel. This is your control center for all settings. From here, look towards the top right corner for your profile or account icon. Click it to open up more options. Inside your profile, find the section called Account Information. This is where your contact details and personal info are stored. Now, look for the field that shows your current email. Next to it, you'll see the option to edit. Click there to update your email address. As a security step, Hostinger may ask you to enter your current password before making changes. Go ahead and confirm. Now, type in your new email address. Double check for typos before you hit save. Once you confirm, Hostinger will update your contact email. Be sure to check your new inbox, since Hostinger usually sends a verification email to finalize the change. Click confirm inside that message. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email address on Hostinger. This small step ensures you'll always receive important updates in the right inbox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.